Opportunities that come to mind for me, transportation. So new approaches that reduce greenhouse gas emissions, systems that help out relative to recharging for transportation devices to reduce either the existing amount of fossil fuels that are used, but also that make a difference in materials that are used, because you do need to consider the full supply chain.
There's a lot of opportunity as well in building technology, enclosures, HVAC, lots of ways that people can reduce energy use in buildings, work to electrify everything. There's a lot of opportunity there, especially in the New York City area. So many buildings are old and really need new technologies to help them.
If I were a founder, if I were trying to build a climate tech company, I'd actually focus on energy. What are sectors that we know are going to definitely grow over the coming decades? Doing anything in energy, I would say, is probably the best option for a founder right now and the most promising opportunity. I think there's a lot of momentum, both at the state and the national level, globally, and through investors that they can tap into.
One thing that I'm really excited about is looking at ways that climate technology integrates into our daily lives. There's a company that I've invested in that basically creates AI data centers. But instead of having an HVAC system, which is super costly, they integrate a DAC system, a direct air capture to capture carbon dioxide as part of the airflow in a data center. That is integrating into something that's scaling like crazy,